At 7, wake up, solve, pass. All right, so here we talk about exam focus content. This is a prep made simple and daily questions, all right, which means better results. So this is your daily ECZ advantage. Okay, so get your pen, get your book, and let's look at one of the exam question. All right, so today we are focusing on mathematics and the focus is equations. All right, so let's do this question. All right, so the question reads, solve the equation 1 over 2, all right, to the power x squared minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, now before you actually solve this question, you must understand, right, that we need first to isolate the variable x, right? So this is what we're going to do. The first thing is we're going to move the constant, right? We're going to move the constant 8 on the other side. So we're going to have something like this. All right, so let me just write the question here. 1 over 2x squared minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so this 8 will move this side. Okay, so 1 over 2 x squared is equal to 8. All right, so this 8 has moved to the other side. Okay, so we move the constant to the right side. That's the first step. Okay, and the second step, we need to isolate this x squared by multiplying both sides, all right, by 2 to get rid of the what? The fraction. So we are multiplying both sides by 2 to get rid of the fraction. So this is what we're going to do. Let me just write the 2 so that you see what is happening. 2 multiplied 1 over 2 x squared 8 times 2 there. Okay, so what happens here, we can actually use division or multiply 2 by 1 so that we divide by 2. Okay, right, let me just do the traditional one, the simple one, the straightforward one. Okay, so we'll have something like this. 2 by 1, we just write equals there. It is 2 over 2 times times x squared, so there's a times here. Okay, equals to 8 by 2, it is 16. So we can divide here, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 1. So we remain with only this here. Okay, so we continue. Can I just use the rubber? Okay, so we say equals to x squared, this one here remaining, x squared is equal to 16. Okay, this is not yet done. Now, when we reach this stage, we take the square root for both sides. And remember that when you take the square root of a number, right, when you take the square root of a number in an equation, there's both a positive and a negative result. Okay, so I'll continue from this side. So we'll have something like this. Okay, so x is equal to positive or negative square root of 16. Okay, all right, so that's x is equal to positive 4 or x is equal to negative 4. So these are your answers. This is how you solve this question. Okay, so Make sure that you go through all the steps. All right, just do a quick recap. So here you move 8 to the right side, all right, so that you get rid of the the form of equation with 0. This is what we had here after moving the negative. And remember, when the negative crosses the equal sign, it changes to positive. This is why it is just 8 here. So this is what we did. So it became this form, and then we multiplied both sides by 2 to get rid of the fraction here. So this is what we did. We multiplied here, and then we had 2 over 2. Then we divided 2 over 2, we got 1. Then this one multiplied by x squared, we got x squared here. And then 8 by 2, it is 16. After this, we square root. And remember, when square rooting, a number in an equation, there's both a positive and a negative side. So this is what we are. Okay, so we have come to the end of our revision. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you in my next session. This has been School at 7 with Tutor Be Smart. It is bye for now.